Hi everyone, I've got a special treat for you today. If you like little toys from the Nickelodeon Junior shows, you'll love these little Blaze and the Monster Machines. My grandson played with these all the time. He and I played with them together, and this brings back so many memories for me. This is a reproduction of 4 of the Blaze and the Monster Machines, and I've got it still in the shipper. These are from Fisher-Price. There's the back of the box. And let's go ahead and get it open. This is how they come packaged in the box, with the nice Blaze and the Monster Machines graphics at the bottom, held in the box with this hard plastic see-through material. You can see the little guys in there. They're super cute. Once you lift the plastic out, they can roll around in the box. Okay, now we've got it unpackaged. We've got the 4 Blaze and the Monster Machines out here. This is Blaze. This is Stripes. Stripes was Blaze's first friend. And then he also befriended Zeg. Zeg looks kind of like a dinosaur. And then this guy is the antagonist of the show. He's the mean one. He's the cheater. His name is Crusher. So they were always trying to get back at him or stop him from cheating in the show. They were racers. And look how cool these are. These monster machines. Super cool vehicles. I love the Blaze with the colors. The orange, the yellow, the flames. Look at those big monster wheels. That's really, really a cool car. I'm so glad to have these. Look at the way the wheels move on there. You could kind of act like they were walking. They're made really, really well. Let's see who. Fisher-Price is the maker of these toys. They're really cool. I love them, and they remind me so much of playing with these toys with my grandson when he was younger. Very, very cool. Look at the tiger stripes. Again, you got the same maneuverability on the wheels. He definitely looks like a tiger. It's got purple stripes, purple checkerboard, purple rims. He's very cool. I used to watch the show with my grandson all the time too, and we loved it. We loved shopping for these little vehicles. Look at this guy with a dinosaur body. He's awesome. Another one of Blaze's friends, his name is Zeg. Really, really cool. These roll really nicely. They're fun toys. They're die-cast. And then here's Crusher. He's the bad guy. He's the mean guy. He's the one that's always trying to cheat so that he can win. He's got a great look. He's probably the highest one. Yes, he's definitely the tallest. I like the color scheme of the two-tone blue and the white. Very, very nice. Look at the smirk on his face. He's cooking up something mean. I hope you like these little toys. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.